Here, these people are here slacking. How did she get your Bob the Builder hat, Ella?
Because she stole it.
Anyway, here's where we are. We got this whole box and we created a bottom. Okay. So we got the bottom taped together now. Hi, Ella. Hi, Ella. You in your box fort. Alright, we'll be back.
Hi, love you. Take a sleep. What? Oh, that's cute on you, Addie.
Shut it.
Honey.
Your door's gonna break. Me and Ella did the Bob the Builder today, didn't we? Didn't we, Bob? Hey, Muff. You going to visit? Ella, Chloe, you guys in there?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ella. I'm Chloe. And today we're going to be doing 24 hours in the box. I'm going to stick this note on here.
What's the note say?
Wait, no, we didn't.
Alright, so right here, this one says open. They're open. And the McLaren house. And this says girls only. Okay, let's see if there's any girls in here. That's a girl. And there's a girl. Alright, what are you guys doing in there?
Eating popsicles.
So what's your plans for the evening?
So we'll go with
20
tablet.
Wait, what?
Tablet. Then we can color. Then we can just relax. Here's our coloring station, and then there's each of our pillows. And then we have a drink up there. She's going to give to us.
Oh, tell everyone about that heart back there on the wall.
Oh yeah, I made that.
What is it?
So I was thinking if we should cut the heart out and make it a bigger heart and make it a heart window.
Okay, that'd be a good idea. So here, show.
I want to make the back a star.
Show me what you have over here.
We got our
Go ahead.
pillows, our purses, and then my tablet. My tablet. There's crayons, coloring stuff. Crayons, and don't ask what this is in the crayons. We have secrets. I have secrets.
Oh, what's that way up there?
Sunroof.
That's your sunroof?
Yeah.
And that's your blankets for later?
Yeah.
All right. I'll be back in a little bit, okay, guys?
Okay.
Hey, Chloe and Ella, are you guys still doing all right in there?
Yeah.
Couple hours passed. Yeah. All right, here, let me in.
Okay.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
You guys are just watching videos now?
Yeah, we're about to. We're just trying to log into her tablet.
Okay.
It's dirty.
I'll be back to check on you guys in just a minute, okay?
Okay.
Bye. You guys still in there?
Yeah, why?
Let me see. What are you guys doing?
We're listening to a song.
Guys, what was that sound? Guys,
I don't know.
listen.
Was
Listen, what was that sound? Listen.
that you?
I'm right here. Was that you?
No, it wasn't us. We finished this one.
Okay. Alright, stay in the house. Stay in the box fort. Shut the door. I'm gonna go check things out. I'll be right back.
Lock it for us.
Alright, I'll lock it. Alright, stay in. Here, I'll push this closed on the bottom. I'll be right back. I don't know what that was, but I'm gonna go look. Did you hear something?
I heard a knocking.
Was it down here?
I don't know.
No one's there. Alright, I'll go tell them. Girls, I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything at all in the
Do you hear
basement.
that noise? Listen.
Why does that sound spooky? Is that coming from in here?
No, look at my video.
Ninja Kids?
Yeah. Wait. Is anyone out there? Can you see?
You guys
anyone
look
out there?
spooky. Chloe, you look really spooky from over there. Real shadowy or something.
Okay.
Well, what do you got to show me? Anything?
We're just watching.
How many hours have you guys been in here? It hasn't been 10, 5 maybe? 6?
3.
You got a while to go. We'll be back. Bye. Guys. Ella. Chloe. Listen. I heard a squealing sound. It would sound like it was coming from the basement. So I looked down there and I didn't see anything.
How could you see anything if there was like a spooky sound? Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't see anything. You guys can't come out and come with me, can you? Because you have to spend 24 hours in there.
Yeah, and I'm really scared.
Do you want me to lock this door?
Yeah. I know.
Wait. Hold on.
Go check that out. Ah! God, you scared me. What is that?
Do you have creepy music on?
No!
there?
I wanna see.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm getting kind of scared. Alright, let me look down here real quick. I'm kind of nervous. Hey, guys. Honestly, somebody was coming up. Somebody was coming up from there. Alright, well, hey, we made it to the morning. Guys, we made it to the morning. Good morning. Was last night scary at all?
No.
Not at all. Did you sleep
I
well?
woke up at the beginning of the night and I just heard spooky sound a lot.
Oh, okay.
But
I thought I did too last night, but I didn't see anything, so maybe we were just, like, imagining it or something.
for now, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a huge thumbs up. Give me a hit that notification bell. Bye.